Okay, how are we doing out there today? Today's project is, one of them, get the FlexMax 80 back up on the wall. I just got done making these little brackets. I drilled through the back plate, I got lag bolts holding them in. I made that out of this piece of C-channel I have here, aluminum. That I had to cut with my Sawzall because my bandsaw is not working. I've also started building solar tracker number 4, which has been kind of difficult because once again I injured my right hand and I've been trying to do it left-handed. Not working out so well. But anyway, that's the material I used. This is what I had holding the solar panels up on the High Dollar Hobo solar powered camper. This is a piece that's left over. So that's what's going on here today. I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to hang this charge controller on that bracket, fine tune it, and then hopefully in a few more weeks I'll add the solar panel. So I'll be back here in a minute and show you what this looks like. So far so good. Okay, here it is. Just mounted up on the wall. Those 2 brackets I made worked out really well. It's got 4.5 inches off the wall backspace. Here's the bracket right there. Yeah, it's on there nice and tight. So hopefully in October sometime I'll hang the 4th solar tracker up, and then I'll be installing those 6 340 watt Q-cell panels. I believe that worked out to be 2040 watts, and that will get hooked into the FlexMax 80. That's been a great controller. That's 8 or 9 years old, and the Midnight has as well. Midnight's probably 7 years old. I haven't had any trouble with either one of them. Alright, there's the update for the week on the solar side. Thanks for watching, and lots more to come. Glad that's over. Another project off the list. Later.